Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the second video because the first one was having some problem with the voice recording. So I'll be continuing on this one, and I hope that this time you can hear me. Okay, so we have two files, FO5, and I have made a copy of FO6. So these are the two files which we'll be using as user files, and there is another control tab, control file, which I'll be going through step by step. So first step is to give the options available in this drop downs, all the available WhatsApp groups within this folder. So this can be controlled through this control tab. So we'll be coming in here and the first option, update all group list in the drop down. And you will see all the available listing of the groups, except this control tab for the group names file, which is in this one, control tab for the group name file. So I'm excluding this, and whatever the file available in here, which are WhatsApp groups, will get listed in the control tab in here. And this will get fetched or pushed into the user files. And now if someone will open the drop down, they can see the groups they can select on all the user files, whatever the user files are there. So I hope that you are going to make the copy of it. If not, then I'll make the I need to modify all the user files so that they can have these controls. Then the second step comes in. So now once we have the drop down, now we can go to the second step and select the drop downs. And the drop downs will be working in this way, that once you select one WhatsApp group and then you close the group drop down and again opens it and selects the second drop down. And you can see these both of these got merged. And now you have two groups selected. You can do the same for multiple 10 or 5 groups, doesn't matter. This will also get listed in cell E so that so this is a helper cell, you can call it. So please do not make any other changes in any of the other than the yellow cells. So once those are in here, anyone can click this button, update my contacts. And what will happen, you can see currently my contacts is empty. And as we have selected these two groups, anyone can click this button, but obviously when he'll be running this for the first time, it's going to ask the authorization. So if you want to have these controls on your side, the control tab, we can automate it as well. Maybe after every 24 hours, it's going to check if there is a timestamp, because once you'll see when the script will be done, you will see a timestamp here. So it means that the contacts from these two WhatsApp groups have been pulled in and pasted in under the My Contacts tab, which you can see. So this is the horse meat disc, and this is Marilyn Palooza. All the contacts available in here. What we are doing, we are pulling 6 columns: A, B, C, D, E, and F. So whatever is available in the first 6 column of Marilyn Palooza, from A to 6, which is here in this group, we have group name. So whatever will be here available, those will get fetched into the My Contacts tab. Once this is here, I'm going to go to the second one, and here you will see. Let me show you a demo for the update of the, for example, if we have another file. So I'll make a copy of it. Okay, so now we have another group name, which is called copy of horsemate disk. Now what I need to do, I'll be running this run again so that this can get updated. So now we have 3 groups, WhatsApp groups. And now if any user will open the drop down, they can see 3 options instead of 2. Now they can select another one. Let me select another one in here. So once I'll select the third one, you can see all 3 are got combined. So all of these 3 files contacts will get pulled in and which will be pasted in under the WhatsApp group, which we don't want, obviously. So we have already pulled in. So what I'll do, I'll delete this because this is just the copy of the WhatsApp group. And as long as the timestamp is in here, the system is not going to fetch the next batch of the contacts. So if you want to update the WhatsApp group contacts in this My Contact, you need to delete this cell. Let me go to the F46, and here you will also see the 3 WhatsApp groups available. So what I'll do, I'll use only Hotmail disk for this one, and I'll click my update my contacts. As you can see, the My Contacts got updated, and there will be a timestamp in here. So it means that My Contact has a, okay. So now what is happening? Now the third step comes in for the bonus friends contact. So the summary here is that we'll again go back to for the third step into the my contact, and there will be new controls in here, and we can click this button, update user and their groups list. So now we are trying to make the relationship between that which user has which group, like who's friend of who's. So I'll click this button and this will give me a list, and this is showing that horsemeat disk is belonging to FO6 and FO5. So these two users having the same group, so it means those are friends. So we have to push all the contacts from the FO6 to FO5 and FO5 to FO6. So you can see FO6 will be containing all the group, all the contacts from the FO5, and FO5 will be containing all the groups from FO6, or all the contacts from FO6 in his friends contact. So this is the list, and this will, and again, you don't need to go for the contacts list to update for the friends into the user file. You can control it from here. So let me show you FO5. Let me clear all of these. Though it's going to update, clear it and again update, but I'll clear it for the demo purpose. And I'll show you, I'll give you another option as well. So FO6, no available friends contact. FO5, no available friends contact. I'll go to the contact tab. As I have updated the friends list, now I can run the update friends contact. As soon as I'll do this, you will see there will be contacts from the FO5. Sorry, FO6. This is FO5. So there will be contact from FO6. So and FO6, you remember, if you remember that FO6 has only one group, which is horsemeat disk. So FO6 only has the contact from the horsemeat disk, whereas FO5 having the horsemeat disk and Merlin Palooza. So what will happen, because these two are friends to each other, all the contacts from FO6 will be fetched into the bonus contact of FO6, and here you will be seeing Merlin Palooza and horsemeat disk both, because we have pulled the friend, which is FO5, and FO5 has two groups, so all the contacts got fetched in here. And similarly, if you'll go to the FO5, you will see only horsemeat disk, because FO6 has only horsemeat disk contact group. So now you can see both of the sheets got updated. So this is the complete cycle, and yeah, obviously this is not the complete. So the second, the final step is link sheet, which is already there. So this sheet has already been linked to the master file, and whatever the contacts are available in the my contacts tab, I'll be deleting these extra tabs. So whatever the contacts is available in the my contacts tab will get verified through this sheet, true. So this is in it, and this will get fetched into your calendar. So only one contact is matching, and yes, we have the listing from the master calendar into the my event for calendar. So I think this is the complete cycle, and one thing which we can improve is, just like the other thing from the control tab, we are updating the all the friends contact tab from within this control tab. We can do the same for the my contacts tab as well. Yes. So what I can do, I can give you another control on this control tab, and first we will be creating the group list, all the groups available in the folder. Then we'll be updating the contacts. But once we are doing it from here, what it will do, it will override this control, the user info. If the use still, if the timestamp is here, but you are doing it from the control tab, this will get neglected, and whatever the WhatsApp groups are available in here will get updated in the my contacts, and you can run it maybe manually or maybe one month, but I think the manual control would be better as per our discussion. So I can give you this control as well, but before doing that, I would like to make sure that we are on the same page and we are getting the right result. And I think this concludes this whole thing. The goal 2 is already covered. You can check it and let me know. So let me give you a short summary again. So first of all, we have a control tab from which through which we are creating a list of all the available groups in this folder, which I'll be deleting uh, this extra copy. Once we have the listing of all the groups available, we can see those in the drop down, and the drop down is designed in a way that anyone can use it multiple times and the group will get added and added. For example, if you add this copy of horsemeat disk as well, but you decide Waiting on it. All right. So actually, what I did, I have made this in a way that if there are multiple copies, like you cannot select the same group multiple times. So that will get like filtered out automatically. So currently we have three groups: horse made disc, Merlin Palooza, and copy of the horse made disc. So we do not want this copy of horse made disc. We can delete this. And once you have selected all of these groups, you can click this button. Either you can click this button because the user, when I don't know if the user is coming in at 3 a.m. and making the changes. So I think he or she should click this button, or we can automate it to check every 10 minutes or half an hour. So if there are any new entries and no timestamp is here, so it means someone has selected the group, but the timestamp does mean no timestamp means no contacts available. So this is going to take the groups and update the contacts. Once the contacts are updated on all the user sheets, only then we can go for the second step, which is friends contact. But before friends contact, we have to make the relationship through which through the my contacts listings, and then we can update the friends contact. So I think this could be automated in a way that maybe after every 1 hour or every evening, um, the code will check automatically if there are selected WhatsApp groups, but no timestamps are available on any of the users, then those contacts will get updated. If any of the contact will get updated on any of the user sheet, then it will automatically run the relationship and then update the friend contact. And that's it. Rest of the part is already there, linking of the contacts and pulling the calendar events from my calendar to the master calendar to my calendar. So that is it. Hope this makes sense. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.